Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up a Black Friday sale. The first part to creating a sale is to create the emails for the sale. So we're going to go ahead and go into the marketing, email templates page. And from here, if we click into the sample email templates, you can see we have 3 different templates for Black Friday. We have the beginning, ending soon, and final days. We're going to go ahead and copy and customize all 3 of these. So we'll click copy and customize. Here you can see default subject and default content for the email. You can modify that if you'd like to. I'm going to go ahead and leave it the same. This email says that everything's on sale for 30% off, and the sale is going to end on December 2nd. I'm going to click Save the Template. And now you can see that that template's been created and is available in my custom email templates area. We're going to do the same thing for both the other Black Friday emails. We'll click into the Ending Soon email. I'll leave it as it is, and I'll click Save. And then we're going to do the same thing for the final email. We'll click into the final email. Now a note here, if you're going to change the sale and you don't want it to be 30% off, or if you want to do it through a different date range, go ahead and just change your emails. And then when we're creating the sale itself, you can make those changes as well. I'm going to leave it as it is, click Save the Template. And now I've got all 3 templates created and available within my custom email templates area. So the next step is to create the sale itself, and that's done through Selling, Sales and Coupons. And from here we're going to click Create New Sale or Coupon Code. We'll create a sale, select the date range sale. I'm going to call it my annual holiday sale, and then I'm going to pick a date range. I'm going to pick from today until the 2nd of December, which is the Monday after Black Friday. But if you want to do something different, go ahead and select a different date range here. I'm going to give it 30% off because that's what we had in our email. I'm going to apply to all of the purchase options. And then for the sale title and description, I'm just going to call it my annual holiday sale. And then for the description, I put my biggest sale of the year is going on now. All prices have been marked down by 30%. In this next area that asks us for the emails, we're going to go ahead and select the 3 email templates that we just created. So I'll select the Black Friday beginning, Black Friday ending soon, and the Black Friday final day. Now this first email is going to go out on whatever day I have set here as the beginning day for my sale. This one's going to go 2 days before the sale ends, and then this final one goes on the final day of the sale. At the bottom, we're going to select which galleries or gallery types we want the sale to be running on, and for now I'm just going to select one gallery, but you may want to select multiple gallery types or galleries for your own sale. I'm going to click Save. And you can see here that the holiday sale has now been set up, so I'm going to show you how it's going to look to your clients. To do that, I'll go into Photos, Galleries, and then we're going to go ahead and view the Garfield Family Gallery. Here at the top of the page, you can see the annual holiday sale with the note that I gave it. And if I click into any of the images, and I go to purchase them, you can see also that we have the 30% discount running here. And it's going to tell us that it's going to end on December 2nd. It shows $70, it's usually $100, on sale for $70. And if we click to purchase more of them, it's going to show us the total discount here below it. If we head back to the images, we have the sale notice at the top, but if we scroll down, you can see that there's also a sale notice within the images that's going to tell us how many days and hours are left before the sale expires. And that's as easy as it is, guys. Good luck on your sales, and if you have any questions, just shoot an email to support@instaproofs.com.